Okay, so we'll render one more time our areas. So in this shape look way darker, more natural now fit in our environment. Okay, so we'll leave it like this. We can work a little bit more even if we wanted. Maybe add some rust or dust right here on the bottom. And you know what, let's do this. Let's till we work on this body right here, we'll go ahead, add additional layer. And just as example, let's look snow. We'll go to environment and we'll just set right around this area. Let's go select red color so we can kind of preview. Okay, this one will pop up and on top. Okay, now we'll go to the color. Okay, set. Okay, let's preview and let's edit some more dirt kind of looking. As well, we can do exactly the same as we done before with the other ones. So we'll do transparency. We'll add grainy fractal. It's provide a very nice kind of effect for us for alpha. So we'll put it right here on the ground. We'll drop down maybe around this area. So this is kind of on the bottom of our plane, whatever, bottom of our rocket will have that effect. So we can also going and just use maybe by the slope range, but I want cover a little bit more on the bottom. Maybe, you know what, let's maybe even make darker this way. Okay, we'll click OK. So this is where we can work and add additional layers if you wanted. Maybe more green like moss on the top or white on the top from the rain when it's started degrading. For now, let's leave it right here. Let's go to our the trees layer. Okay, and I'm going to expand. We'll go select some trees like, okay, we have it right that tree. So we'll go to adjusting this tree, bring a little bit more to this side, and as well we'll move slightly so we can preview those trees. And yeah, let's take this tree is okay, that one is kind of fine. We'll have it get our clouds. Let me take the clouds and just move them away from here so they don't mess up with the settings. Okay, this one it's ground tree and that one has look okay, except it was covering too much. So I'm just kind of placing, so we'll have it open those hills so we can see a little bit better kind of destruction and terrain when it's happening. Okay, we're done with this. Let's go to work with our these objects, and sometimes it's better if you just right click, go up, right click, and it will drop it and place it properly. So again, we can do same things. We can bring up, go to the drop and right click so it will drop and place it correctly, and same with hideout. So we'll just go way up, right click so it will place it for us with proper position and everything. And again, I'm just putting a little bit more down. Okay, next things, let's go ahead and paint our terrain. I want just add a few more touches right around this area, maybe add kind of some coloring or discoloring actually right here, so it's look like somebody actually living in this area. I'll right click, we'll go to edit object. So right here we can preview all our scenery. Let's zoom a little bit up. I'm going to the paint, we'll go select some material that is closer. Probably this will work well. I want to take flow very low, it's what we have right now. And you can see I'm kind of start painting right around this area with my paint. So be sure you know brush enabled just on a paint mode. And we can, don't need paint too much, just right around this area. So we kind of have it small discoloring, maybe in some areas a little bit more. Around right here. But some discoloring that may be going to happen if people just live around this area. Okay, I'll click OK for this. It's just a warning that I set up before, but we're okay. And I think this is look okay. So let's press OK for our terrain. Okay, next I'm going to discard render areas, and we'll go to preview, setup 800, and let's render our preview. Okay, you can see we have like almost no effect at all, so we can go ahead and let's modify more of our preview right here. So I'm going to select some other one because we kind of readjust, so I'm going to use other little bit texture, a little bit more to apply in painting. Right around these areas. Okay, let's click OK. Preview one more time. So in this case we did apply a little bit more. Again, we still have this nice green kind of grassy look, but we also have this dirt that would happen when people may live around areas. So the walking. Okay, I think we're ready for the final render. Again, you can spend hours and days just going and tweaking, stack properly trees everywhere where you want it. But in this tutorials, I want to show you some of the concept and what we've done here. So we will overview everything like what we learned in these tutorials. But for now, let's go set our render. I'm setting to final just for this tutorial. As usually, you want to probably go to user settings and set a little bit better quality. As well, I'm going to render on a little bit higher resolution than in tutorial. And we start rendering right now. We'll come back after image finished rendering. Okay, so right here we have it about 20 minutes almost take our render on this resolution, which actually not bad. So in this tutorial, let's overview what we learned. Learn how to create the terrain and mold it around our object to bring interesting details. We also was learning how to create this grass material that is actually look quite a bit realistic as a grass in the distance, and you can use it on the hills and other places. As well, we learn on some compositions, placements, and some atmosphere adjustments. In these tutorials, I was using some models from the poser as this rocket, as well some GeekatPlay models as a hide way. For example, you can get this at Cornucopia. As well, you can get many other models from GeekatPlay Studio, and this is available on Cornucopia. Also, this tutorial, what you can play next from this, add a little bit more details, maybe work a little bit more with the lighting, because with different change of sunset, sunlight, you will have a total different look for this image. And from this point, you can kind of more explore in your creativity. Again, thank you for watching this tutorial from GeekatPlay Studio. Please remember, visit us on our web is www.geekatplay.com.